To view your payment history on Telus, you can follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate through the process easily. Step 1. Log into your Telus account. Visit the Telus website and click on the Sign In button. Enter your username and password to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Billing section. Once logged in, look for the Billing or Payment section in the main menu. Click on it to view your billing information. Step 3. Access payment history. In the Billing section, find the option labeled Payment History or Transaction History. Click on this option to see a detailed list of your past payments. Step 4. Filter payment records. If available, use any filtering options to narrow down your search by date range or payment type. This will help you find specific transactions more easily. Step 5. Review and download. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can easily view your payment history on Telus. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Telus customer support for further assistance.